Home on the range. I love
Stutter like a tilt-a-whirl, getting freaky on the floor. Feel that rumbling sound. Might have grown up in a barn, but I can bring down the house. And we go down, 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 down. The club goes round, 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 round. We take it to the ground, 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 ground. Ooh, tonight, 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 tonight. And we go down, down, downtown. The club goes round.
Here comes the young'uns. Country western music. Cowboy boots. So we're about 30 miles inland in a winery, vineyard. They put on concerts every once in a while. This one is country. There's the vineyard out there. It's not a harvest host. We're in the foothills in Nevada County. Grass Valley is the actual address. People are starting to come in. Yeah, nice day, Saturday, hot.
Getting freaky on the floor, feel that rumbling sound.
Wine.
Roll up in a barn.
2022. Oh wow, at least it's a couple years old. As we wait for this concert to start, here's the lineup. We're right there, 6-7, Vegas McGraw, Tim McGraw tribute, Beatles. They got a concert coming up here every week. Believe me, we're way out in the middle of nowhere.
You make my heart flutter like a tilt-a-whirl. It's getting freaky on the floor. Feel that rumbling sound. And I say, hey, I want you, girl. You make my heart flutter like a tilt-a-whirl. It's getting freaky on the floor. Feel that rumbling sound. Might have grown up in a barn, but I can bring down the house.
One more time, make some noise for our dancers up here. They look great tonight.
There's the owner of this vineyard right there. The manager, the daughter. His parents moved to Idaho. They said California was just getting out of hand. She took over. There's her taking a picture of us.
There's an epic I've been writing for all of last year's men. 'Cause I'm so sick of fighting just to have my heart broken again. I'd like to paint a picture of how it used to be. Extract the fragrant bitter poison that was you and me. Friends and lavish dinners, private talks with men. I heard you say she's pretty, right? And someone answered 6 of 10. Johnny Cash and whiskey under your employ. All that I am left with.
My name is Vegas McGraw, so everywhere I go, I make sure I bring a little piece of Vegas with me, all right? That means a little Elvis Presley, a little Johnny Cash, and Mr. Jerry Lee Lewis. We all did everything. Nice for Johnny Cash.
Prophetess, if I could have had it my way, we'd be shining in the holy light of day. But your desire to destroy me, oh, love of old, is breathing life.
I'm from the country, you're from the city. I drive a truck, you think that's silly, but there's another side of me you know you like to see. Ain't that right? Oh, that's right. I got my money in my pocket, a girl beside me, a little bottle rocket. There's a finger on her lips and a swagger in her hips. Tonight, tonight, tonight. And I say, hey, I want you, girl. I'm wearing camo. Y'all hashtag this. This party's a race.
Okay, so we're done. We're done.
All my buddies turning up. Parking lot is full of trucks. Hang on tight, hang on tight. Oh my, my. And I say, hey, I want you, girl. You make my heart flutter like a tilt-a-whirl. It's getting freaky on the floor. Feel that rumbling sound. Might have grown up in a barn,